Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best juicers in 2019. Now, finding the best juicer may be frustrating because there are so many options on the market and you don't know which will be the best one for you. So, I made this list from my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. So if you're looking for the most affordable or the best product, then we'll have that product for you. As always, all of the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box down below, and we update the links in the description for the best prices, okay? So let's get started. We have the Breville 800 JEXL Juice Fountain Elite. This is our pick for the best overall juicer. Yes, this is another Breville model, but this model is called Elite for a reason. Breville endearingly refers to this model as the Rolls-Royce of juicers. It is available at about $260, and it is definitely worth every penny. This juicer accomplishes the holy grail of most products. It can be used in a restaurant and in a home kitchen. Features for this juicer include 1000 watt motor and dual speeds. This is the most powerful motor on the list, which maximizes juice extraction at dual speeds of a low 6500 RPM and 13,000 RPM. Premium build. It has a die-cast steel body, titanium and stainless finish blades, and stainless steel micro mesh filter basket. Large. It has a large capacity pulp catcher, a 1-liter juice jug with froth separator, and a large 3-inch feed chute. Some of the pros for this product include juice quality. The quality and yield of the juice is top-notch, with maximum and efficient juicing. Long-lasting. Because it is made from high-end materials and has a sturdy build, it allows for years of reliability. Easy to clean and use. Even though it is a high-end product, it is very easy to use because you can throw anything in it. And it is also very easy to clean up because it is easy to dismantle. Some of the cons for this product is subpar leafy greens juicing. You may need to sneak leafy greens in between hard fruits in order to juice them. Overall, this is the best juicer with its top-of-the-line features, premium build, and high-quality juice. Anyone looking for a long-lasting juicer with maximum efficiency and quick operations will definitely fall in love with this juicer. If you are looking for the absolute best overall juicer in 2019, then the Breville 800 JEXL Juice Fountain Elite is the best option for you. We have the Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain Plus. This is our pick for the best fast speed juicer. Breville no doubt makes the best fast speed juicers, also known as centrifugal juicers. The brand offers a plethora of models, but this model is the best fast speed juicer to buy in 2019. It is priced at about $150. This juicer rates highly when you consider the balance of many factors: speed, efficiency, simplicity, durability, and price. This is a great all-around juicer, and it is perfect if you want to pump out juice fast. Features for this juicer include 850 watt dual speed motor. It has a powerful motor along with a slower speed of 6500 RPM to a faster speed of 12,000 RPM. Extra wide 3-inch feeder chute. This bigger chute requires less prepping, so no need to spend time chopping or slicing produce. Minimal heat generation. Unlike other centrifugal juicer brands, this generates only 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit of heat to keep naturally occurring enzymes and antioxidants intact. Some of the pros for this product include juice quality. The very low heat generated ensures that the nutrients and phytochemicals of whole foods are kept unharmed in your juice. Versatile. The juicer is fast and strong, but it is also versatile thanks to its dual speed feature. Easy to use and clean. The simple 2-speed control setting with the large feed tube makes it user-friendly, along with its 5 parts that make it easy to assemble and clean. Some of the cons for this product include inefficient with wheatgrass and other leafy greens. You may need to run the pulp one more time to extract more juice. Overall, this is a spectacular juicer with its powerful and dual-speed motor, high-quality juice, and easy use and clean. If you want the best fast-speed juicer in the market right now, then the Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain Plus is the best option for you. We have the Omega J8006 Nutrition Center Juicer. This is our pick for the best slow-speed juicer. The Omega is the creme de la creme of slow-speed juicers, also known as masticating juicers. Since it processes at a slower speed, you won't miss out on any of the nutrients, and you get the healthiest drink possible. You can juice anything from fruits and vegetables to leafy greens, but it doesn't stop there. You can even make nut butter or grind coffee beans. It is available at about $300. It's a masticating style juicer that has got plenty of features and perks, making it an excellent commercial grade juicer. Features for this juicer include powerful torque and 80 RPM. This powerful and slow speed juicer prevents foam, limits oxidization, and minimizes heat buildup. Dual staged. There are supporting functions like crushing, then squeezing for higher juice yield and pulp dryness, as well as squeezing instead of grinding that promotes natural taste and nutrients. Multi-use. It can be used to make a variety of snacks and food, from frozen desserts to baby food. Some of the pros for this product include juice quality. The juice yield is high, is of superior taste and nutrient quality, and boasts up a shelf life of up to 72 hours. Noise. Because it is a slow-speed juicer, the noise level is much lower than the other juicers on this list. 15-year warranty. The price may be on the expensive side, but it is affordable and worth it if you consider its very long 15-year warranty. Some of the cons for this product include a small feed chute. The feed chute for this juicer is about half the size of other juicers. Overall, this is an excellent slow-speed juicer with its versatile features and amazing juice quality. If you are looking for the best slow-speed juicer in the market right now, then the Omega J8006 Nutrition Center Juicer is the best option for you. We have the Breville BJE 200 XL Compact Juice Fountain. This is our pick for the best compact juicer. Breville is highly known for delivering commercial quality juicers and other food preparing products. This model is no exception. You can find both quality and durability with this juicer. This also takes up far less space than other Breville models, while still boasting the same juicing capabilities. It is priced at about $100. Sometimes it's hard to get the most out of your product while conserving space, but not all the top-rated juicers have to be flashy, large, high-tech machines. This is a compact yet hard-working juicer, so don't be fooled by its lightweight package. Features for this juicer include 700-watt motor power and 14,000 rotations per minute. This powerful and high-speed motor allows for maximum extraction of juice. Centered dual knife blade assembly. This contributes to the juicer's heavy-duty, compact characteristic. 3-inch circular feed tube. The juicer can process whole fruits, along with a micro mesh filter made of stainless steel. The total juicing performance is enhanced. Some of the pros for this product include easy to use. The juicer is simply designed with strong power and one speed, making it easy to use for novice juicers. Easy to clean. There's a snap locking mechanism throughout this model which lets users remove each component quick and easy, and it is dishwasher friendly. Affordable. This juice is compact and has outstanding features, but is also cheap. Some of the cons for this product is juice quality. It is great, but it is not the best, with more foam, coarseness, and shorter shelf life. Overall, this is an exceptional juicer that is compact, powerful, and very affordable. If you don't have a lot of counter space in your kitchen, but still want a first-rate juicer, then the Breville BJE 200 XL Compact Juice Fountain is the best option for you. We have the Hamilton Beach 6761A Big Mouth Juice Extractor. This is our pick for the best budget juicer. Hamilton Beach is a well-known and respected kitchen appliance manufacturer, and the company hit the nail on the head with this fantastic product. It is available at a reasonable price of about $50. Its high-powered motor and simple yet durable design make it one of the best products of its kind. It also doesn't take up a ton of space, is easily cleaned and reassembled, and simply makes more juice than most other juicers on the market. This juicer accomplishes all these things with a relatively low price tag, making it a very affordable product. There are many fantastic features that make this product well worth your investment. Features for this juicer include 800-watt motor power. The powerful high-speed and efficient motor extracts large quantities of juice from tough fruits and hard vegetables. 3-inch feed chute. It has a wide feed chute, so you can drop in large amounts of fruit and vegetables. Large pulp bin. This allows for continuous juicing, so you don't need to stop to clean out the pulp bucket very often. Some of the pros for this product include easy to clean. The juicer is easy to disassemble and reassemble for cleaning, and it is also dishwasher safe. Juice quality. There is a high yield of juice, which makes the juice taste great. 3-year warranty. This is a solid juicer with a long warranty to back it up. Some of the cons for this product include noise. Because it has a powerful motor, the noise levels are higher than normal. Overall, this is an amazing juicer that is powerful, easy to clean, and very cheap. If you are looking for a top-of-the-line, yet affordable juicer to go with your healthy lifestyle, then the Hamilton Beach 6760 1A Big Mouth Juice Extractor is the best option for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. If you liked this video and this video helped you out, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you later.